Hello, I'm going to make the sugar taro today. I have 4 ounces of taro and half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of just plain water. So all you do is turn on the oil about 350 and deep fry the taro. That's going to be take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to let it deep fry about 8 minutes or until they turn a golden brown. Okay, this is already 8 minutes, so it's all ready. So I'm going to remove all the taro. Okay, and I put all the sugar in it, and the sugar and the water. I put a half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in it. All you do is just cook it until they get a little bit thicker. Then I'm going to put the taro in it. See the sugar water salad become to a little bit thick. You see there, not that runny anymore. So I'm going to put the taro in it. And you keep stir it until they all dry up. See, they become to more thicker now. So they are take a few more seconds to be ready. Okay, this is all done. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, this is all done. This is how I make today the sugar taro.